Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how to fix problem when you can't charge your iPhone. So you have problem when you connect to your cable, you uh, can't see here that your battery just charging. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing it, you just need to first thing, just try to unlock your phone. So sometimes you need to unlock phone when you connect your charging port. So just check this thing. Also another thing you can try to change your cable. If you have another cable, just try to connect another, and just also you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait for a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try also to update your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings, just open general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to our channel, click like and bye.